Welcome to Motor Mania, and today we're diving straight into one of the most legendary American icons ever. Built, the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. 1963, just saying that name gives chills. Because this car didn't just change the game, it created a whole new one. The first thing you notice is the design. That split rear window, those sharp curves, and that low, aggressive stance make the 63 Stingray look like it's moving even when it's standing still. Every line feels intentional. Every angle screams performance, and even after decades, this car still turns more heads than most modern supercars. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Corvette Stingray came with powerful V8 engine options that delivered thrilling acceleration and a raw, mechanical sound that car lovers dream about. When you press the throttle, you don't just drive it, you feel it. The power delivery is smooth but aggressive, making every drive exciting. Whether you're cruising the highway or carving through back roads, step inside and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. The gauges are clear, the layout is simple, and everything is positioned to make you feel connected to the car. The seats are supportive and surprisingly comfortable, even for longer drives. For a classic sports car, the interior feels more refined than you might expect. Comfort-wise, the Stingray balances sportiness with usability. The suspension was designed to handle performance driving, but it's not overly harsh, which means you can actually enjoy this car on regular roads. There's decent cabin space, and the ride quality is better than many people assume. When it comes to technology, remember this was revolutionary for its time. Independent rear suspension, advanced chassis design, and improved handling systems made this car a true engineering breakthrough in the 1960s. Safety features in classic cars are simple compared to today, but the Stingray was built with a strong frame and solid construction, giving drivers confidence behind the wheel. Price-wise, a well-maintained 1963 Corvette Stingray is now considered a valuable classic investment. It's not just a car you buy, it's a piece of history you own. And why is it a great choice for families? Because it's more than transportation, it's a legacy. It's a car you can share with your kids, teach them about automotive history, and create unforgettable memories together. The 1963 Corvette Stingray isn't just one of the greatest Corvettes ever made, it's one of the greatest cars of all time. If you love timeless design, powerful performance, and pure driving emotion, this legend deserves a place in your heart and your garage. Owning a 1963 Corvette Stingray is like owning a moving piece of art, something that feels alive every time you look at it. There's a certain magic in knowing that this car comes from an era when designers sketched with passion and engineers built with their hearts, not just computers. You can almost imagine the craftsmen shaping the body panels, fine-tuning the engine, and perfecting every detail with one goal in mind: to create something unforgettable. And they absolutely succeeded. What makes the Stingray even more special is the emotional connection it creates. This isn't just a machine that takes you from point A to point B. It becomes part of your story. Every drive feels like an event. Every startup feels like a celebration. And every mile adds to its legend. Whether you're driving it to a car show, taking it out on a quiet evening cruise, or simply admiring it in your garage, the experience never gets old. Another incredible thing about this car is its timeless appeal. Trends come and go, designs change, and technology evolves. But the beauty of the 63 Stingray remains untouched by time. Park it next to brand new supercars and it still holds its own. In fact, many people will walk past modern cars just to get a closer look at this classic. That's the power of true design excellence. For families, this car represents more than speed or style. It represents tradition. It's something you can pass down, talk about, and share stories around. Imagine teaching your kids about classic American muscle, letting them sit in the driver's seat, and watching their eyes light up with excitement. These are memories that last a lifetime. Maintenance and care also become part of the journey. Taking care of a classic like the Stingray builds a deeper bond between owner and car. You don't just drive it, you respect it, you preserve it, and you become a guardian of history. At the end of the day, the 1963 Corvette Stingray stands for everything car lovers cherish: bold design, powerful performance, pure emotion, an everlasting legacy. It's not just a classic. It's not just a Corvette. It's a symbol of what happens when passion meets perfection. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the greatest cars ever made, stay tuned, because in our next video, we're bringing you another legendary machine that changed the automotive world forever.